This isn't your run-of-the-mill instrument. It's made by Selmer, the world leaders of high-end saxophones and clarinettes. The company was founded in 1885, and since then a number of musicians including John Coltrane, Charlie Parker and Stan Getz have opted for the brand.
What links all of these instruments over the years, since the inventor first made them, is the sound which comes out of them. That's particularly true with this instrument, with a flexible, supple sound that you can't find anywhere else. And the musician can enjoy expressing himself through the instrument. It's really his favorite way of communicating.
The factory near Paris produces around 40 to 45 saxophones a day. Each instrument takes around 35 hours to complete, from metal work to polishing and extensive checks to make sure the client receives the instrument in mint condition. And that also means checking the sound that comes out of it.
Souvent, c'est beaucoup une affaire de goût pour l'instrumentiste, mais
often it's a question of taste for the instrumentalist, but what is very important is for him to have a choice to choose instruments of great quality. That's what we do here at Selmer, to really have those expectations every step of the way with the instrument, to certify that with these stamps on the label, these stamps here. And it's my responsibility to say that this saxophone works well. People can track me down if they want.
The company claims its instruments make up 90% of the luxury market. With stiff competition across the sector from groups like Yamaha, Selmer is giving up 3/4 of its capital to an investment fund.
The company has a lot of investments to make, and considering the weight of these investments, the family can't take them on alone. That's why we turned to an investing partner for that reason.
But Selmer says the name and logo won't change, and that the deal includes clauses to protect its 500 employees.
I think there's always a bit of fear that we might lose our job, but no, we're not worried. I think it's better to move forward rather than backward.
A Selmer alto saxophone can fetch around €5,000, and the group made annual revenue of €35 million in 2017. With Asia making up half of Selmer's exports, the merger could make quite the fanfare overseas.